Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Let me just check. Hello, can you hear me? Uh, so, yeah, the sound is coming, I think. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay, so let's start. Hello everyone. Today is 5th of December. और देखिए कि so we discussed in this video on Friday looking at the data. तो हाँ कि ये जो हम लोग फ्राइडे को डिस्कस किए थे कि जो 3 PM का जो रेड कैंडल था फ्राइडे को दैट वाज डिलेड राइट एंड दैट एग्जैक्टली लाइक शोड अप टुडे. देखिए एकदम स्टार्ट होते ही नीचे चला गया. तो नॉट ओनली दैट उस वीडियो में मैंने आई टॉक्ड अबाउट एवरीथिंग लाइक वेयर द FIIs हैव बॉट पुट्स एट व्हाट एवरेज प्राइस, कितना कितना प्राइस पे मतलब बाई किया है, सब कुछ डिस्कस किया था. एंड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंगली जो प्राइस पे ओपन हुआ था 18,700 PE दैट वाज आई मीन इन द 80s. ओके, so you surely knew that like that was lesser than the buying amount. Okay, so I mean वो price पे तो मतलब they I mean the FIIs also didn't even buy at that price the last day, 18,700 puts. So Nifty had to go down. Okay, there was no choice. Like they are the operators. Okay, तो मानो या ना मानो मतलब everyone would say that index can't be manipulated and everything and all that. But yes, I think otherwise why will suddenly Nifty go down? I mean we analyzed it correctly and also we saw the move. ठीक है, तो अगर आर्बिटरी मूव होता तो मतलब ऐसे नाइस प्रेडिक्शन हम लोग नहीं कर पाते. सो वी आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग द ऑपरेटर्स हु जस्ट ड्राइव द मार्केट. ओके, and we are getting our prediction to be right. So the main thing is that my main intention is to show you like देखिए कि जो मैंने इस वीडियो में शेयर किया था तो वो क्या था कि मतलब एक एक प्राइस पे जहाँ जहाँ इन लोग बाई किए थे पुट बाई. सो आई डिटेल्ड आउट ऑल द बाइंग position buying amounts or the buying price of the FIIs. So first of all, it's very difficult to detect whether it's a writing or a buying. Okay, so ये तो डिटेक्ट कर पाना मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है कि मतलब OI जो इंक्रीज हुआ है वो बाइंग है या सेलिंग है. The second thing is that after detecting buying, then you are detecting that what are the prices they are buying. Okay, so that's a very difficult job, but yes, it's achievable. So ऐसे prediction के लिए I hope I can get one like from you. So yes, please do like the video if you haven't. And now let's jump into the today's analysis. Okay, so आज क्या हुआ था वो जान के ही तो हम लोग कल का prediction करेंगे फिर से. ठीक है, तो yes, we enjoyed this I mean we enjoyed this learning of put buying here and market went down. So yes, I mean एक एक जो पॉइंट पे जो जो हो रहा था मतलब वी डिस्कस दैट. सो 18,700 शुड एक्ट एज रेजिस्टेंस. 921 देखिए मतलब ये सब लर्निंग है. ओके, सो नो रिकमेंडेशन और नथिंग. सो 921 18,700 acted as resistance. Okay, so it was above that and then came down and then further came down. और चलते हैं देखते हैं 43,200 call writing. बैंक निफ्टी also came down 43,200 पे इधर कॉल राइटिंग हो रहा था. ठीक है, 43,200 इधर, तो इधर से फिर पूरा नीचे आ गया 43,000 तक, उसके भी नीचे गया था. ठीक है, सो बैंक निफ्टी ऑल्सो फेल बाय more than 200, or let's take 200 points. Okay, so it's a good and Nifty fell by 100 points. So yes, one more point is that even in the last video we discussed that if Nifty falls, it's surely going to go at 18,600. Okay, so if you go and check like put buying तो हुआ था, so I did not say like हाँ 200-300 point गिर जाएगा. So have a realistic expectation. Okay, so just go and check that. I told that first it should go at to 18,600. उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि वो 18,500 पे जाएगा कि नहीं. So क्योंकि उसके बाद जो डेटा पॉइंट्स बिल्डअप होता है तो उस वैसे अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल थिंक, राइट. बट येस, वी गॉट आवर मूव एंड देन हियर एंड ऑल्सो 18,700 पुट बाइंग. मतलब सुबह जो इन लोग FIIs, they did not, they got a price where they even did not buy, they did not get a chance to buy the last day, so they also started buying. Okay, so 18,700 put buying was going on. Again, this was a very tough call, let me tell you. अगर आप मॉर्निंग में जस्ट OI देखे तो मतलब just look at the OI change in OI on both the sides, 18,700 call side and put side OI change was higher. Put side OI change was more than 20 lakhs and call side OI was around I think 18 lakhs as far as I remember. Exactly I don't remember, but it was lesser, much lesser. So one would have easily concluded that okay, I'll go with put writing because market is going to go up. I can see the change in OI is more on the put side, but that's not it. It was just put buying, huge put buying was going on. Okay, and then 18,700 put buying going on, and then 10:02 I told that the learners that they were able to learn if they were able to learn from it. So that means I closed my positions of put buying and then I told that yes, have you been able to learn. So 10:02, let's check the market. So 10 to 10:05, this is the candle. So almost at the bottom I closed my position, and then yes, that was a very nice learning for all of us. And then then market moved up, but while it came at around here, then I just told that the best thing that one can do here is, because I analyzed that still while market was here, still the put buying amount, they closed some, but they were not able to close all of it. So market again had to go down. Okay, so I told here to start call writing. Okay, so after that there was some of these moves. So yes, if you like if you see some move like this is going from 75 to 711, so 25 plus 10, 35 points, or maybe let's take 40 points. So if you are just if market goes against you by 30 to 40 points and you are afraid that everything went wrong, then again you need to reconsider. Like, this is stock market. Okay, you have to consider some like you will take the trade and market will reverse from there. That's not a you shouldn't expect that. If it happens, it's well and good. Otherwise you should stick to your analysis, or you should have some stop loss. Okay, so yeah, hi Praful, hi Krishna. Yeah, I'm coming to all your questions. No, this is a very, very wrong concept. Like, okay, I'll show you that FIIs buy. Okay, give me a chance. I'll show you. I'll show you with proper data. Okay, so I'll show you. Yes. Yes. So then let's come to the thing that is, yes, then we told that the best strategy would be to go for call writing positions, learning, okay, only for learning purpose. And then I told that, so we went with call writing, and then again market gave a nice down move, and yeah, got a nice profit. And then again at the bottom you see 1407. Okay, so 1407, here it was at around here 1405. So this candle, okay, so I mean before this candle, at this candle I closed again, and then here at that time I gave the update that market is going to be volatile tomorrow. If I take any positional trade, so then I'll be going to share it for learning purpose. So that's what I did. Like first I thought that I won't take it, but at the end I saw that yes, this was also another tough call. It was the toughest call, I can very well say. Like if you can go, and if you have the IV data of today, so you will see that the IV on the call side was higher than the put side throughout the day. Okay, even if you go now and check the premium data, so the premium data was inflated, the premium was inflated on the call side, okay, in Nifty. That was clearly a sign of buying. Okay, so call buying was happening, I knew. Then the second thing was that I also knew that the put buying quantities by the FIIs of the previous day, they did not close. Neither put writing was happening in Nifty. Yes, but in Bank Nifty you see Bank Nifty put writers were active, but in Nifty call writers were active. Okay, and also like they are, that's the present scenario, because that's what that's what my analysis was at the last 30 minutes. Okay, during the last 30 minutes, and that's why I took some call writing in Nifty, because the FIIs still are having, so either way, like one way it has to go. So if the FIIs are making a loss in their put buying, I'll also make my loss in call writing. Okay, so that's why I took the positional. But yeah, that it was a tough call, again I can say that. And now yes, now if you see that, yeah, so looking at XGX Nifty, it's somewhat going in my favor, but let's discuss if it goes in our learning favor, whatever you call, doesn't matter to me. So if it goes in my position favors, so what we'll be expecting tomorrow. And yes, so now let's come to the data points. Okay, so मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में भी क्लियरली दिखाया था कि FIIs ने पुट बाइंग किया था, राइट? So just go and check, like yes, futures long positions almost the same. Futures short positions, you see that they are also somewhat closing, but almost you can say ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत close किया गया. So futures data is again almost the same as the previous day, but previous day huge futures long positions were closed. Do remember, keep that in mind. They have something, they have some data with them, so that's why they are doing. And also they did put buying, I showed you clearly last day, and now today you see that they have done call buying. But so you see that, if you see that, you will say that these call buying positions, so you can clearly see that the call buying positions are extra, right? So there is a huge increase in the call buying position. So now what are these for? You can very well say that they are for the call writing hedging purpose, right? But you see, no fresh call writing has been done, very little, very little. So that's not like, that's negligible. So no fresh call writing has been done, so there is no purpose of hedging, right? So that's why they have bought calls. Okay, and also if you see that they have done put writing, but the quantity that has been added today in the put buying, that is for the put hedging for the put writing positions. Okay, and the positions, the amount of positions that were already there in the last day, that they did put buying, they did not do any put writing, they closed put writing positions, and in the put buying was increased. So yes, put buying they did not close it. Okay, so what I am expecting, what my thinking is that since they are both side like buying, they are having buying positions and also like भारी कौन सा तरफ भारी है, चेक आउट दैट. ओके, फ्यूचर्स में बाद में आते हैं. फ्यूचर्स में उन लोग का टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है, ठीक है. तो इसमें आते हैं कि ऑप्शन चेन में. ऑप्शन चेन में अगर आप देखोगे तो लॉन्ग पोजीशंस एक ही है कि कॉल लॉन्ग जो आज हुआ है, लेकिन जो ये जो ह्यूज कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है, so the huge call writing they have done the last day, they haven't closed it and they did not like get a nice profit, or they did not get a chance to close them in profits. Okay, so that's why it's still intact, still there. Call writing positions and also put buying positions are still intact. So these two data are suggesting down. Okay, and these put writing that you see, they are especially in BankNifty, they are not in Nifty. So I am in Nifty, so that's why Nifty में put writing नहीं हुआ है ज़्यादातर, ठीक है. तो that's why Nifty में जो major positions है that is of course call buying है, और आपका put buying है plus आपका call writing है. तो 2 points goes for this call, goes for the bearish and 1 point goes for the bullish. Okay, so yes, that's why like one side they will be first taking out the profits and then the move will come on the other side. So please be careful, and these call buying positions, like they can take the profits tomorrow, the day after tomorrow also. So like today they did not take the put buying, they did not close the put buying in profit. So they might do it tomorrow, and then the day after tomorrow they might go for their call buying position. So whatever it is, so I am sticking to the bearish positions. Once I get the move, I'll just close it. Okay. So if there is some gap down tomorrow, okay, or market just moves just slightly down and gives me a nice opportunity to close my call writing positions that I have taken as positional, I'll just straight away close. Okay, because I won't risk my position because call buying has been done. And moreover, like tomorrow, if I look at also the fresh positions, if overall the conclusion is like both sides anything can happen, so then I'll try to avoid trading. But yes, again I'm saying market will be volatile. Even tomorrow you have Nifty expiry. So please be careful. And even if you look at the PropTex data, so PropTex data, put writing they have done, but they have also done huge call writing even like today. Okay, so that's one of the things. And yes, futures, they have been almost the same. Okay, no, not almost the same, like futures short they have increased. Okay, so PropTex futures में expect कर रहे हैं कि नीचे जाने वाला है. तो देखते हैं कि मतलब ओवरऑल डेटा जो बोल रहा है कि मतलब बियरिश है, लेकिन एक ही चीज मतलब अटक रहा है कि ये जो कॉल बाइंग का जो पोजीशन है, दैट इज द ट्रबलसम थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. ठीक है, तो अभी मतलब फिलहाल जो कि मैं आई विल स्टिक टू माय पोजीशंस एंड आई विल क्लोज विद प्रॉफिट्स एंड देन आई विल सी. ओके, बट द थिंग इज दैट एक्सपेक्ट बोथ साइड मूव्स टुमारो. सो that's the thing. So first if it comes down, so then after that in the second half it should go up again. Okay, so yes, and also which is like being suggested by XGX Nifty also. But again let's see tomorrow morning where it opens and what it tells us. So yeah, high bit bulls, yeah, high profile. So I think I have showed you that even FIIs also buys. So that's a myth, like that is the big players don't buy options, they also do. So मज़ा सबको लेना है. So yeah, so Krishna, hi, market wants to go down tomorrow, then why come up? Now the thing is that let me tell you, so this is the psychology. Like बहुत लोगों ने देखा है कि पुट बाइंग हुआ है तो उन लोग भी जाके आज मतलब बियरिश पोजीशन लेके बैठ गए, राइट? एंड दैट्स व्हाई मार्केट केम अप. ओके, बट यू सी दैट मार्केट केम अप बट इट डिड नॉट गो मच बियॉन्ड 18,700. ठीक है, अगर उसको सही में जाना था तो वो 18,800 तक भी चला जाता, या एटलीस्ट 18,750 पे भी चला जाता, लेकिन वही 18,700 के आसपास आके फिर से नीचे जाने का कोशिश कर रहा था. तो this is just done purposefully. Okay, I have seen this several times in the past. Like, you will do your analysis, it's totally correct. I mean, even the big players are having the same positions as you are having, but market is moving against your direction, and you are also thinking that the big players are a fool, or they might have escaped with their positions, and you are left, you are in loss, and you will panic and you will close. Okay, so, or you may not carry forward your position, and that's why, like, even the last 30 minutes in the 3 p.m. candle, they had to give some pain. Like, even in the 3 p.m. candle, I told on Twitter that, like, people would be expecting today to the 3 p.m. candle, like, to go down. Okay, so that's why, like, here I said that here I said just before the 3 p.m. that candle pattern might fail, like the pattern that was going on, like here down, up, and then down and up, and then again everyone is expecting that down will come, but no. Okay, so, and also I said here that even if you check, this is 2:58 p.m. and also I said that it's a fake up move at 3:01 p.m. because the FIIs were having their put buying position, so it's a fake up move. Market if opens gap down tomorrow, so I'll be also lucky, and yes, so my analysis will be fine, like it will be done, and then I'll look for fresh position. So yes, that's the thing. And even in the morning also, you see that I gave this everything, like every details what was happening everywhere. So you knew that 18,700 even today put buying was going on. So accordingly, like, you could have taken position even here also when it went to 18,700. So but you have to know how to analyze whether they are closing their positions or not with the help of volume, IV, so especially the volume, which I have shown you several times. So yes, that's the thing. Like, even the scores, the indicators, you see the score fell down, like 932 it fell down, so at -47, so it was a clear signal. But since I did not see such a move in the score in BankNifty at that time, but later on it came, but so that's why I went with put buying in Nifty, not in BankNifty. So yes, but yes, BankNifty also gave a nice fall, and that's the thing. And I think I have discussed everything. Yes, one more thing is that today FII is sold, so they also tried to make their put buying positions, take their put buying positions in profit. So they tried, but DIIs, I think they balanced it out. Okay, so yeah, so let's see, and let's look at the overall market. And if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. But sir, your analysis is very correct. You are not lucky. Your analysis lies. Yes, but you see why I say I am lucky, because you should always be humble and you should always respect the fact that market is supreme. Okay, and you can also go wrong, but the thing is that if you go wrong, then be very hard on yourself, like try to analyze like why I made this wrong decision. Okay, so how to avoid this in the future. So yes, that's the thing. And yeah, you are a member, so you know everything, what I do and how I predict. And yes, so Bitbull, what platform do you use to monitor IV and premium? So again, I can say that officially, like, I store IV data. I take it from some website, and it's very easy to guess which website, and I store it in my Excel sheet. Okay, and so that's the thing. Or I mean, many platforms, they also have their the data, IV data and everything. So you can also go and check the IV. So even like don't have to check the IV. The premium is right in front of you. You can go to your broker's website and just open 18,600 CE. Okay, just compare it. just compare the 18,000 CE premium. Suppose, let me tell you, like you will find this disparity, like suppose at this moment, like when Nifty was just around 18,600, okay, so then just go and check the premium at 18,600 CE, okay, and check the premium at 18,000. So if this is 100, so it's at that point, so then you can go and check the premium at 18,000. Wait, I was comparing 18,600 at that point with okay, or the best thing would be to hear, like this point would be so I forgot like what I was actually, like I think 600 both the sides I was checking exactly, I don't remember, but this point will help you. So when Nifty is at 18,700, okay, just at 700 or very near to that, at this region, okay, so now think, like look at the two in the money contracts, 18,600 CE and look at 18,800 PE, okay, so they are both in the money at a distance of 100 points, okay. So now look at their premiums at that point, okay, you will see that there is a huge gap in the premiums. There was a 30 to 35 points gap in the premium. So the premium of 18,600 CE was much more. So that that helped me to conclude that yes, even buying is also going on. So that's why when I was going for call writing at the very end, so I was taking call writing position, so it was a risky decision. So yes, that's the thing. So yeah, just look at around this point, you will get to know. Yeah, so any other questions or queries? So yes, please do like the video if you gained something from the last video. So I think the last video might have helped you. Yes, and also like tomorrow again the verdict would be like, if it's a gap down, so further fall can happen, cannot happen, might not happen, but if it's a gap down, so if you are just if you have bearish positions, close and just sit and watch, okay. So that's all you can do, or go for look for the fresh positions that are building up, okay. So I just need to I'm very interested to see like what they are going to do with these call buying positions tomorrow, okay. So that's what I'm very interested in looking at. So that's what I'll be observing the very first thing. So yeah, so that's all for today. Already did, right? So you saw that the thing, so that was specially like due to the IV. So I went like the premium price, so it's calculated, right? It's nothing like it comes from the air or something like so the premium price, the components that are involved, so one of the major component is IV, so that's why I checked some of the components. So I found out that IV was the major playing the major role in such an increase in the price. So yeah, so that's the thing. So yes, so yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safe.